Ricky Blue 82, what a do, Scooby-Doo, like a Jew, fondue, barbecue. I have some iPhone 11 and the phones are on my name. So we're gonna go to T-Mobile, unlock them, see if we can sell everything. I'm not sure what I want to do with the money. I'm trying to get $600-700 for everything. I don't know the prices of phones, but we'll see. Let's go. So here at T-Mobile and Michael's old phone, they're giving me $800 trade-in.
Are you sure you don't want the
Trading in
extra
for an
free
11 for 13.
And it's broken.
It's broken.
Apple phone? No, iPhones are like half price.
So update. Trading in this phone. Getting this one for free.
For free.
And you're giving me a free Samsung.
A free Samsung.
With a
and
free line.
Extra line.
Forever.
And I'm gonna find an easy number for you. Just because you're the man.
They gave me the Samsung free for life with a line. I said no, but he said just take it, so I got it. And a free iPhone 13. Straight to the pawn shop I'm going. So we're here at KFC. Matt wanted to fuel up. Good morning, it's July the 11th. We are doing a full roof today. I was already there this morning to make sure the guys are there, to make sure that the delivery of the material was there. I'm gonna go get me some Starbucks, and then I gotta go to Home Depot to get some extra material. We gotta go in the attic to fix the HVAC system and buy some fascia and soffit so we can remove the gutters. It's a lot of work. So sit back and enjoy this video of a roof tear off. You might be asking yourself, how are you holding the phone and drinking your coffee while you're driving? Autopilot, baby. No, back here. There's no autopilot. My man's driving with his knee. Look at this. What the? You thought you knew it all and you just took the fall and you'll be here for eternity. Oh no, not me. Well, I said to myself, I was recording the way I was loading the wood in the back. I put my camera right here behind the chair. Camera falls. I want to get the angles. And so I lifted my eyes just to see your white throne, and I said to myself, that's my Lord. Hey, backslider. This ain't no witch's spell, this is the devil's hell, and now we're gonna set you on fire. Hey, backslider. The guys were yelling at me that they want Red Bulls. Woo, I'm sweating. It's hot outside. They want Red Bulls, so I'm gonna go get them Red Bulls. They want the original Red Bulls. How many times did I say Red Bulls? They said they want 10 Red Bulls, so let's go get some Red Bulls. Well, I hit my knees and I said, my God, I don't think that I can take any more. Just give me one more chance and get me out of this place, and I praise you forevermore. Well, the next thing I know, I was walking on gold, and his gates, they were open wide. I seen his hand stretching out, and he wiped my tears and said, be not afraid, it is I can hear him singing. Hey. So the guys are working on the roof. The homeowner told me that the screen on this window was torn. So I'm gonna remove this screen and let's go replace it.
Well, next